We are approaching into the Marina of Tangier. Good morning, guys. So it's 6 a.m. and we are going again sailing to Tangier. It's still dark outside and very cold, so we gear up so we don't get cold. And anyway, so there is no more wind, no wind at all. It's only 5 to 10 knots and it's not rough at all, so we hope that we will make it today. Westward. Yeah. So it's still very dark, and now Oliver just switched our main mast deck light, and yeah, that gives us a light here, but it's all dark around. It's still dark, guys. It's 6 a.m. here. It's winter and it's very cold. Let's go anchor up.
While I'm tracing the outlines, it feels like the first time I flew.
Good morning.
I flew to
Sunrise.
That is the end. I've set my pride aside, and it feels like the first time. The peace that passes over. They're taking off what can't be stolen. They're getting lost inside a moment.
Right now we are motoring. We don't have a chance to sail because to set our sail because the wind is just on our nose and it's only 5 knots. That's a pretty wind. So
I will stay like this until the afternoon.
yeah.
So it's very calm, but better than having westerly winds on our nose.
And 30 knots. Gusting 30 knots is impossible.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Last days like that.
Yeah. So this is the perfect day to go to Tangier, and we are so excited to be there. It's only 30 miles away from Gibraltar to Tangier, so we will be there around 12 o'clock noon or maybe 1.
Or later, because the tidal stream is against us.
Yeah,
So
unfortunately.
that slows us down significantly from 6.4 knots speed through water to 3.4 knots speed over ground.
Yeah.
So 3 knots is missing just by tidal stream and the usual current flow from the Atlantic Ocean into the Mediterranean, because the Atlantic is like 1.6 meter higher than the Mediterranean.
Yeah.
So all the water is filling up the Mediterranean, and on the east side of the Mediterranean where it's so hot, all the water evaporates. So we have a constant flow additional to the tidal stream going into the Mediterranean.
Yeah.
Now we start crossing this traffic separation scheme, and we have to go through the heavy traffic that goes through the Strait of Gibraltar. So it's only allowed to do this in 90-degree angle to cross this traffic separation scheme, and that's exactly what we do now. Tarifa, over there, that is Tarifa Lighthouse, and opposite is Africa. That's where we go now. There's a row of big cargo ships coming in our direction, so we somehow need to make it around them.
Years betray, walk away. Dust will fade, gone, but you see from the inside, and it feels like you stop time. Years betray, walk away. Dust will fade, gone, but you see from the inside, and it feels like you stop time. The peace that passes over, the taking of what can't be stolen, the getting lost inside a moment.
We are almost there, and I guess 3 miles left, and we will arrive in our destination in Tangier. So Oliver right now is hoisting the yellow flag. We are approaching into the Marina of Tangier. Tangier. So we are now in Morocco, guys. Still nice to be here with the boat, because that time we just at that time we went here. It was just we took only the ferry, but this time we come here now with our own boat. So yeah, we bring Vela Nautica here. Anyway, so now we will do a docking, and we will see you later.
We're always dreaming about the other side. We're holding on to what we left behind. Just wanna live like we will never die. Right here, right now. Let's make a promise that we keep for life. We won't forget who we are inside. I think about it and I come alive. Right here, right now. When we wanna stop and cry, but we'll remember how we got this high. Right here, right now. Oh no, we don't have to look too far. Home is always close, it's always in our hearts. No matter where we go, no matter where we are, we don't have to look too far. Oh no, we don't have to look too far. Home is always close, it's always in our hearts. No matter where we go, no matter where we are, we don't have to
Okay guys, so the update is we are check-in and we are officially in Morocco, and
We are docked in the Tangier Marina in Tangier, and the procedure took
2
let's
hours.
say 2 hours or something to check in the country and do everything and put the papers from one side to the other and back.
Exactly.
And then the customs check the boat. Yes, and then we are welcome in Tangier finally.
And the people here are very friendly. The immigration, they are very friendly and helpful. The staff in the marina, they are very friendly, and we are so welcome here. And everyone always tells us welcome and welcome. And yeah, it's just so nice to be here again with first time with the boat. Yeah. So right now we gonna have a coffee on board and a Stollen, a German Christmas cake. So maybe later we will go in the city. So that's all for today's episode, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and
Subscribe. Your subscription helps us to produce more videos like this one.
don't forget to hit the notification bell beside the subscription button.
To get notified when we produce a new video.
Yeah, and cheers,
Cheers.
guys. This is for you. See you on our next episode. Bye.
There's no better day.
Love you from
Gibraltar.
Gibraltar. This is the view of Gibraltar.